Hello, everybody. I'm Steven, the co-founder of PublicAI. And we started this project 1 year ago. At that time, I just finished my PhD in artificial intelligence. And actually, everybody knows that OpenAI is a joke, right? And it's not open anymore. It's called closed AI, right? It's close everything. But here I will tell you that OpenAI actually, the public AI actually is the real OpenAI because we open to the human, contribute to the AI and share the revenue from the AI. Yeah. So before going on the topic, I would have a question for everyone that what will be the next big move for AI? Maybe the new algorithm from Google, or maybe the new chips from the NVIDIA? Neither. Actually, it's AI training data. So this is because, if you watch the movie about the Matrix, and there, the movie describes the world that in the real world, and the AI dominate the world, right? And AI have a virtual world for the real people to play the games, and actually, in the real world, the human becomes a battery, becomes a biological battery to provide the power for the AI. Do you believe that will be happen? Probably, but in more practical way, actually, the human will become the data producer, for the AI in the future. So this is because AI training requires huge of data set, and in the future, AI will replace all the human jobs, and only one job AI cannot do this. This is human data producer, human data workers, because human can produce data to train the AI, improve the AI knowledge, right? So there is another movie. It's called Doom, and in the Doom, there are spies is the most valuable asset in the universe, and so in the future, the data will become the spies in the most valuable assets in the future. And the human will become the sandworm who produce the spice, to feed the AI, So let me start with several stories. So according to MIT research, so our training data will be run out by 2026. So because more and more social media platform and websites, they ban the data scraping of AI. So there will happen. The Google, Microsoft, they buy data from Quora, Reddit with $100 million. So there is an interview to OpenAI CTO, Amira Marathi, to ask her where your training data come from. And she said, I'm not sure. So apparently, she lied. Because how OpenAI CTO do not know their training data come from, right? So maybe I can tell you, those training data come from us. It comes from all of us. So we create 100 million pieces of data on social media every day. And those social media actually create $1 trillion. They use to train the AI, create $1 trillion revenue. But they pay us zero, right? They pay nothing to us. So actually, one more question is, what the core principle of Web3? Actually, is the ownership revolution, right? So that is, we should share revenue from something we create. We create such data, but do not share revenue with us, right? It's a share revenue with Reddit platform or the OpenAI themselves, Microsoft. So here we provide a solution with Web3. That is PublicAI. So among PublicAI, we have 3 roles in the protocol. The first role is the AI builder. And AI builder can connect their social media account with our on-chain protocol, and they can share the data to train the AI and earn the revenue from the AI. They are intensive by our public tokens. And actually, it's not all of data is verified, is okay to train the data. Some of the data maybe is useless and harmful, like some research information or immoral information. So we need the third role, that is AI validator. AI validator could verify the data, remove some human preference bias. A couple of weeks ago, Elon Musk actually criticized Google Gemini AI a lot. He said Gemini is a resource, and actually this is because their validators is have human preference. Maybe it's a resource, so that will be have the low quality training data to make the Gemini AI very bad, you know. So here the third role actually is AI developer. So after validator verifies the data, and AI developer could commercialize the data and make revenues. Those revenues could share to the validators and builders. Yeah. So actually, we redesigned the RLHF loss function here. The first equation shows the loss function of RLHF. It's a reinforcement learning human feedback. Actually, this is a general widely used technology in the AI companies to train the AI. So you can look the first equation. It contains simply two terms. The first term is calculate the errors for the back propagation of the neural network. And the second term is regularization terms, just to prevent the model from the overfitting. Yeah, so actually in the first term, you can see the small theta, small r theta, actually is a reward model, and hat G. The hat G is important. It's a result of our argmax function, and this argmax function actually will calculate the validators to verify data and gather consensus data. So the capital R function shows the calculation about the reward token for the validators, for the AI builders. So there are two R. The first R is small r is for the reward to the ARM. The second big R is reward to the AI builders and AI validators. Yeah, that part pretty technical. Also, we designed a wearable deeping sensor to collect the real-world data, and so we can use the real-world data to train the AI. We also have the zero-knowledge technologies to prevent the user's privacy. Yeah. And this is a PublicAI ecosystem. From the left-hand side, we can see where the data comes from. We can answer this question. OpenAI CTO cannot answer the question. We can answer the question. It's from our social media, and also it's from our the real world, yeah, the deeping world. And the middle part shows how we verify data, how to mine the high-quality data, remove the harmful information like research, immoral information. And the right part shows how we commercialize the data, how we to sell to our the providers, the D apps or the AR firms, yeah, to make the revenue of the data, and we can share to the builders and validators. So our public token will be used to intensive the validators and builders. Yeah, and also we are used to for the proof of stake collateral. So that means if there is good behavior, more reward. If they have a malicious behavior, slashed. We launched the testnet 1 month ago, and right now we have 400K users who provide data, verify data on our platform. Yeah, and also there will be the earliest public token holders. These are partners. We partner with some AI application or the data companies to commercialize the data, and we partner with some Web3 communities to engage on board more data workers. Yeah, this is our team. Our CTO, Jin Lee, actually he's a research AI scientist, and one of his very famous research is used by Google to design the AlphaFold. Yeah. And Professor Shu Guangcui is our chief scientist, and he got his PhD in Stanford, and he has been the professor in multiple top universities. And Terry Wang is co-founder and CTO of LSD blockchain. It's a very, very famous layer 1 blockchain. Also, he has been the partner of Jin Fund. And he also is the former employee of Microsoft and Uber. And he also graduated at Princeton University. Yeah. So maybe we can end up this keynote with an amazing video. Yeah, please. Can you turn on the voice?
Ready to take control and get paid from your data? Jumping to PublicAI. Did you know every voice and message you share online is valuable? They're used to train AI and make trillions. But you've probably never seen a dime for it. That's about to change. PublicAI, a revolutionary Web3 platform that turns your data in dollars. Here, you can earn money from your social media activities and shape the future of AI. Ready to take control and get paid from your data? Jumping to PublicAI. Let's kickstart this journey together.